Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be doing a no foundation tutorial. So why don't you guys stay tuned and let's get started. So as usual, I'm going to start with my eyebrows as I normally do on this channel. So guys, I'm going to be using my lip butter raspberry to prime my lips. So next, I'm going to be doing my eyebrows. So I'm going to be using this professional eyebrow pencil and dark brown. So we're going to be using this color. And if you guys can see right here, I don't know if you guys can see it. So yeah, right here. So it's got like a dark brown color. Yeah. If you guys notice I'm looking not at the camera but down, that's because I've got like a little mirror here, so that's why. I'm just lightly filling that in. So I'm gonna be using my Elegant Pro Concealer and FAWN for my eyebrows. So I'm gonna be using my Get Set eyeshadow base. Using my Too Faced eyeshadow palette. And this brown color over here. So this palette, right, it smells chocolatey. It smells like chocolate. Just applying this palette, guys. I feel like I want to have chocolate now because it smells so like chocolate. I feel like I want to have chocolate right now. This color right here. It's kind of like a pink-ish color. GLAM eye liquid eyeliner. My mascara. I'm gonna be using my face primer. Primed and ready. I'm gonna be using Eyebrow concealer in FAWN. So right here. I want to make this as natural as possible. So just gonna give my face a wee spray. And then for my contour, we're going to be using the same Eyebrow concealer in COCO. So I'm going to be using my W7 Banana Dream Setting Powder. we're going to be using NYX powder. Just using this to just set no, really, just using it to set everywhere. And then under my eye, I'm gonna be using my black gel. So we're gonna be using this Glam Glow palette for my. So we're gonna be using, sorry guys, this color for my tear duct. And then this champagne one under my brow one. Affect spray. So I'm gonna go back in using that champagne color for my light. For my lipstick, we're gonna be using this lip oil. I got it from eBay. I think it was about £3 thereabout, if I'm not wrong. I'll put the link down for you guys anyway, just in case you guys want it. So I'm gonna be using this in cherry color. That's me done. So this is how I do my no foundation routine. Like if I'm on the go, if I have to get to some place quickly and I want to put on, like, I want to still look good basically. So this is what I normally do. I hope you guys like this, and I'll catch you guys really soon on my next makeup tutorial again. Bye for now.